Hey, welcome back. AZ400, which is Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer Expert Certification, is one of the most requested tutorials you guys asked me to prepare. So here you go. My name is Sushant Sutish, and I'm going to be your instructor for this entire tutorial. I am certified at an expert level on both Azure and Microsoft 365. You can reach out to me via LinkedIn or Twitter. And if you want to download any of the study material which I'm using in this tutorial, you can go to aguidetocloud.com to download the same as well. Let's look into what is DevOps and who is this certification and what is DevOps role all about. The DevOps certification exam is for DevOps professionals who combine people, process, and technologies to continuously deliver valuable products and services that meet end users' need and business objectives. DevOps professionals are the one who design and implement strategies for application code and infrastructure that allow for continuous integration, continuous testing, continuous delivery, and continuous monitoring and feedback. And this AZ400 examination candidates must be proficient with agile practices. They must be familiar with both Azure administration and Azure development and expert in at least one of these areas. Azure DevOps professionals must be able to design and implement DevOps practices for version control, compliance, infrastructure as a code, configuration management, build, release, and testing. And based on the study area, I have prepared this tutorial and created 20 different modules to explain all the concepts which Microsoft wants you to learn based on the study area. I'm not going to read out each one by one, but you can see on my screen, I will take you through each and every module which explain all the topics what I have mentioned here. And this course provides the knowledge and skills to design and implement DevOps processes and practices. And you will be able to learn how to plan for DevOps, use source control, scale Git for an enterprise, consolidate artifacts, design a dependency management strategy, manage secrets, implement continuous integration, and implement a container build strategy, design a release strategy, and set up a release management workflow, implement a deployment pattern, and optimize feedback mechanisms. You need to have a fundamental knowledge about Azure, version control, agile software development, and core software development principles before studying this examination. It would be helpful to have an experience in an organization that delivers software as well. The first set of videos in this tutorial is all going to be lecture based. So what do I mean by lecture based? Lecture based means it's theoretical knowledge on all the concepts and core fundamentals. So at the beginning of the series, you will only see the lecture based. And at the end of the lecture base, I'm going to prepare labs. In the meantime, if you want to get the hands on, you can create a free Azure subscription and you can sign up for a free Azure DevOps account and you can sign into Azure DevOps Demo Generator to perform your own labs as well. Anyways, if you don't see labs on this tutorial playlist, you will be able to see that labs in the future as well. Like I said, if you want to download this material, you can go to aguidetocloud.com to download this study guide, which will have all the links mentioned here. Since this is AZ400 certification exam and it's an expert level certification exam, it's safe to assume that you guys know how to sit for a Microsoft certification examination because you would have already done multiple examinations. And if it has been quite a while, I can give you a quick refresher. On this examination, you can expect questions between 40 to 60, and there is no penalty for guessing. That means that you need to answer all the questions. Otherwise, you are missing out an opportunity to earn points from each questions. Always prepare for answering the question and put up some time for reviewing and making sure that you're going through commenting, reporting, etc. Because this is an expert level exam, you can expect more than multiple choice questions. There are going to be hot areas, active screen, drag and drop, match the following, and case studies as well. And in most instances, there are going to be lab scenarios as well. So please do get your hands on with Azure DevOps Labs as well. All right, so that concludes the first episode. In the next episode, we're going to start with understanding what is DevOps. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care.